Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OPPO Watch X3 and today I'm going to show you how to add and how to remove the Google account on this watch. And the Google account is useful if you want to use Google services on your watch like Gmail, Play Store, Gemini and stuff like that. Okay, so let's get started. And if you want to sign into Google account on your watch needs to be paired with a phone because you kind of need to use the phone to kind of copy a Google account to your watch. And once you have the watch paired with a phone, you can open the settings on your watch. So press the Chrome button, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, look for the option called the other and select it. And here, look for the Google. And once you find it, tap on it. Now tap on accounts. And as you can see, I don't have any accounts right here. Basically, if you have Google account added to your watch, you will see it right here on the list. That means the account is active. And to add the Google account, you can tap on Add Google Account. You need to tap on this icon right here. It will open the pop-up on your phone that is paired with your watch. At least it should. Let's check the app. Didn't do anything. So let's try again. Let's go back and try again, like this. And now it did pop up. And basically here you can select the Google account you want to log into. You can tap on choose another account if you want to use something else. I'm gonna use this one. Then verify that it's me. And it will start signing in. And it looks like it's done. So now if I go to Google settings, the account should be right here on the accounts list. And now I can use the Google services like Play Store, so I can install applications, check the email and stuff like that. So that's how you add the account. If you want to remove it, you simply go to this menu. So you go to settings, other Google accounts, and you look for the account right here on the list. Once you find the account you want to remove, you tap on it and then tap on remove account and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And the account will be removed. And basically that's it. That's how you add and now how you remove the Google account on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.